Welcome to our course on Apache Airflow. Are you tired of spending all your time and energy managing workflows and DevOps for your company? Well, we have a solution, and we have a lot of experience teaching with over 8,000 students on Udemy. You will learn about graph theory and the different types of graphs out there. Airflow in particular uses DAGs, so we will go into detail of how to use DAGs and then practice them. Learn how to work with the Airflow UI. Check your DAGs to use data profiling, browse different DAG runs, look at the logs, and finally manage your connections, variables, and XCOMs. You will learn how to use operators, sensors, variables, XCOMs, and then finally how to integrate with Slack and send out mailers. We will have lectures on how to install and set up Airflow. Use Google Cloud Composer to move your Airflow DAG runs to the cloud. You will learn how to manage your logging and scheduling to make sure your Airflows are running on time. Regular quizzes and assignments will check your knowledge to make sure you're going on track. What are you waiting for? Let's get started.